It's not the best weather to visit this place, but this is the big one. So for those who don't know, I'm from the western part of Finland and I'm talking Swedish, but I can also speak Finnish and a little bit English. So, and I'm a machine guy. I do all kind of machine service works. But this was really big. Look at these tires. Fat Alice. If you know Diesel Creek from I think Pennsylvania in the States, so he has a Fat Alice. I think he was regrinding, so he got more of tires. Komatsu, Volvo.